Hello friend, this is Dharmendra once again with my new made video on AutoCAD. In this video I am going to discuss about the different coordinate method which is being used to draw a line. In previous video we used to talk about a direct distance method in which we draw a line using length and clicking on start point and end point. But in this video we have to add the value of x and y to get the desired result. Okay, so here we have already discussed about drawing toolbar, modifier toolbar, which are basic requirement for AutoCAD, dimension toolbar, etc. There is also title bar and command line. Command line is the line where we use to put our initial letter for command. It can be show and hide using Control +9. Okay, we have two modular type, 2D and 3D. 2D that means x and y, 3D that means x, y and z, where we need to put volume in 3D. Layout, model layout and paper layout. In model layout the screen is black and area is infinite. That means we can move cursor from one side to another side, but there will be no edge or there will be no bounding box. Paper layout is a fixed area where there is bounding box and edges. Now we are talking about coordinate method. First one is Cartesian or absolute coordinate method, which we are going to elaborate on. For this, in this method we have to provide coordinate of every point with respect to origin of world coordinate system. That was when we are using L enter, then for picking first point we have to give xy coordinate, and then after moving for next point we need to add the value from 0 to the next value. That means if I am going 50 feet from here, 50 unit from here, we have to count that unit from 0, is not it? Now we can do it on CAD screen. Okay, so here is our CAD screen. Before that we need to set or find out if the unit and dimension is okay or not. Even enter, I am setting my unit in decimal because you need to know each and everything about the unit parameter or different type of unit. You can't excuse that you don't know about decimal, architectural, or you cannot work in millimeter or centimeter. You have to work in each and every unit as per requirement for your production. Okay, here I have chosen the length in decimal, precision is 0.0 and the scale insertion is millimeters. Okay, now the dimension style manager. Here I go to modify, then picking primary unit. I may use decimal also, and precision would be 0.0. I can take the text height 0.5, default size was 0.18. okay, rest is okay. We may discuss it after this lesson or in coming lesson, lines, symbols, arrow, text, etc. For the time being it's okay. Set current, then close. Now we have already got the value for absolute coordinate method. That means we are going to draw a object like this where value of x and y is, that is length and width is 50 and 50, and we are starting the coordinate from 50 unit in x and 50 unit in y. That means the origin is 0, 0. The distance from here of x is 50 and also the distance of y is 50. They are crossing each other here. That is called xy equation. Okay, so the object was like that. didn't get it proper. Once again we are repeating the same command. Delete linter 50, 50, enter. Once again 100, 50, enter. Then 100, 100, enter. Then 50, 100, enter. Then close. Okay, we may increase the line width to make it visible. Okay, this way we can draw an object using absolute coordinate method. The thing which need to remember is that we must have a coordinate value of each and every point. ID enter. This way we are getting to know the coordinate of each and every point. ID. So this was all about absolute coordinate method. Bit difficult for the beginners, but if you keep practicing it, you will be able to understand the coordinate. So keep watching, like it and subscribe it. More we will discuss about coordinate in our next video. Till then, bye bye, have a nice day.